guys? Danny from Life.88 TV here. We're finally coming at you at the first vid of 2019. We're going to be taking the Raptor and the YFZ out for a rip. My Raptor, and then Cody's coming with his truck to come pick me up, and we'll get his YFZ going too. First rip of 2019. As you can see, it's still snow on the ground. It's about 40 degrees here. It's kind of a slushy mess, but you know us, 40 degrees, we want to ride. So that's what we're going to do. We're just waiting on code. We'll be taking the Raptor. Tossed around the idea of taking the Honda TRX 450R right here, just because the aggressive tires would do really good right here. But she's a carb model, so she's kind of a pain to start when it's this cold. And, you know, it's my baby. I don't want to ruin it. But look for vids with this summer. Like I said, the aggressive tires on here. The tires on here are not aggressive. These are still the stock ones, guys. But don't worry. Give you guys a little sneak peek. Here's what we got going on them. We got blue Alba beadlocks on ITP hole shots. And then right here, got the exact same tires as on the Honda. We got the GXC Masters, I believe they're called. 20-inch tire. 18s in the front. Can't wait.
John Deere, baby. You're back up the ranch. You're spinning like a son of a bitch.
Nothing runs like a deer, right? Oh shit. Oh, you gotta get a little run at it. Oh no. This ramp is so slippery, guys. Oh shit. True question, guys. Will this start? Think it'll start? Without help? Without heart?
We should start hard, but she should start for a while.
October, guys. Hasn't been started since October. Made it.
Ian? Got it in gear? Put it in second.
Well, it's been off his feet. He's a little rusty.
Right, he is.
Goes a little rusty.
Pop it.
Got her, bud.
Got her.
Good old John Deere saves the day again.
Hopefully she'll fender.
He did kill it.
Yeah,
Wow.
he did kill it.
Damn, wish I had a coolant cloth. Dude, I had to bail or else I was tipping her. So if you see down there, that's the dent in my body. Well, I fucking launched it. I launched myself, didn't I?
Yeah, you did.
I was riding a dangerous game on this edge right here.
Camera really doesn't do it justice.
These fuckers. Oh, this is gonna suck to get out.